I'm going to start this video off with using my 2-guard, cutting with the grain. My next step, I'll take my 1-guard closed and start my guideline. Next, I'll remove the guard and close the clipper and start to remove the C-shape. As I go higher, I'll open the lever up just a little bit. Now I'll start with my 1.5 guard open to cut above my guideline. Now I'll flip it upside down and cut with the grain to smooth out the tapered area. Next, I'll take my 1 guard with the lever closed and start to remove the line. Now I'll remove the guard and open my lever all the way and remove the line completely. With the 1 guard on my clipper, I'll take it and go with the grain and against the grain until I get that taper completely smooth. With the 1 guard closed, I'll start to fade into his beard. I'll remove the guard and remove the line on the top of his beard. Now I'll take the 1 guard and place it back on the clipper and go with the grain and against the grain until I completely blend the beard. I cut his hair down with a 2 guard, so now I will take a 1.5 guard with the lever open and knock down the front of his hairline. That's to get that nice precise line. With no guard on and the lever up, I'll start forming a taper on the back of his neck. Now I'll place my 1 guard back on my clipper and open the lever and finish blending out the taper. Now with my slimline LIs, I will start to place a line on the back of his neck. His hair is pre-sprayed with spritz, so now I just hit it with my Slimline Pro LI. After every lineup, I always go behind it with my razor to sharpen it up. Now I will pick his beard up and begin to shake it. Using my wall magic clips with the lever closed, I would just go behind my work and polish it, cutting off the loose ends and so on. This is very important after every haircut.